Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to use Google Translate on Google Sheets. So first thing we have to do is open the Google Sheets. Okay, so now you can just start the new document by click this plus button, or you can also choose the previous files that you already have here. For me, I want to do this. I already prepared the data that we want to translate into different language. So here I already have a data in English language here, so I want to translate this word into Indonesian language. So let's put Indonesian here. Okay, Indonesia. Okay, and after that let's do it in another language, which is Korea and Spain. Okay, so we already have these three languages here that we want to translate to. So the way to do a Google Translate, you just need to click the cells, and after that just need to click a equals as a functions, and after that you just need to click a Google Translate, and after that you just need to follow this a formula that already given by the Google Sheets itself. Okay, so for the first thing we have to choose or click the cells that we want to translate. Okay, and after that just need to put the symbols, and now this, and the search of language, which means from EN for English, and after that give the symbol again and put ID for Indonesia, and after that you just need to click done. And now we already translate this into Indonesian. Banana become pisang. And how to autofills for the other cells, you just need to drag into these whole cells and click, and after that click a autofill, and now you're done. And we just need to do the same for the Korea. Okay, for first is equals symbols and type a Google Translate, and after that you just need to click the search of the language, which is this cells, and after that go with the symbols, click EN since that is in English, and just need to click KO for the Korean, and after you're done just click done there. And after that just we need to drag all of the cell into the autofills. Okay, and for this paint just need to click or do this exactly the same with what we did before. Okay, choose the cell, and after that input the symbols, and for the Spain it will be ES. Okay, and now you're done. Block the cells. Hold on. Okay, sorry, I think that isn't terrible. Okay, so yeah, actually that will be exactly the same. So that's all the way how to use Google Translate on your Google Sheet. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.